Greetings for the season, everyone. Myself, Satwik Joseph John. Today, most of you will be watching this video with a sort of ambiguity, which even I had 2 years ago. Well, it's now time to get rid of it. Your NEET preparations must actually begin from your classrooms, together with your NCERT textbook, the lab manuals, the exemplars. And this Jnanasudha online test series is purely based on the NCERT syllabus, and I feel that itself is its greatest highlight. This Jnanasudha online test series, the JUTs, gives you a best platform to go into the depth of the subject, understand it in much better way. Normally what happens with students like you and me is that we will be well versed with the subject, but we fail to exercise it in the examinations. And here we have a solution. The JUT is a wonderfully planned program wherein the entire syllabus is divided into 75 sections. Don't you feel it's awesome to take the daily dose of knowledge and exercise it in the form of examinations, get your results together with a detailed answer key? Tiny drops of water make a mighty ocean. And therefore, we need to understand that JUTs is sort of an addictive thing. It helps you to understand the subject in much better way. Obviously, I need to mention here that it's very important that you divide and study, because you can concentrate much on each and every concept in your textbook. I mean the NCERT textbook. Go into the depth of it, understand line by line. It is possible only if you divide and study, and this is the best platform you have here. This Jnanasudha unit test gives you a better platform for you to correct your mistakes. The mistakes with regard to both the contextual mistakes that we often do with regard to the syllabus, and the other one could be the human error we all do. It's very important that we try to minimize these mistakes, because that's what makes the difference a lot. We need to concentrate on this topic, that to minimize the mistake as much as possible. Coming to the Jnanasudha part test, I would rather say it is a movie of 75 scenes. To forget is human. We forget things. Therefore, we need a quick revision. And each part test, the 8 JPTs, will bring before you the JUTs. Everything that you have studied, the previous JUTs, everything you get it. Therefore, it's a very good quick revision, you have it. And of course, I need to mention about the homework that you need to do before and after each and every JUTs. Before a JUT, for the long-term students, I would rather suggest you to go for a day's homework. Go through the NCERT's concepts as much as possible and take the help of an external aid of your choice. Be sure with what sort of an external aid you are going for, and fix one particular external aid that you are comfortable with. Go with that, prepare well for one day, and then write the JUT the next day. After your JUT, that's the very important part of this training, I would say, because you write the exam, you get the results. Of course, most of us look on to that portion where how many are correct. No, I would say you need to look on how many are wrong. If you have done so many mistakes, why have I committed that mistake? What was my fault? That is what you need to concentrate on, and that is where you need to give your more focus and try to minimize the number of mistakes you commit each and every time. Yeah, that's all. Wishing you all the very best. May you all fare well in your life. Thanks for watching.